okay? And they will get back to you. So if you give me some details and contact number, I'm quite happy to do that for you.
Okay, but I want some answers. I want some accountability.
Okay,
I want to know under what legislation gives him the powers to put my door in.
Right now, I'm the duty sergeant responsible.
Yeah, but you're a sergeant
all,
for a reason.
all
Have you not got any answers?
I don't have time to stand here and argue.
Yeah, but clearly you do. I'm not arguing. I just want some answers, miss. That's it.
So,
After all, you are taxpayers do pay for you.
What I'll do. So if you're not prepared to give me your details, then we'll end the conversation.
No, because I want answer for the record. Why do you think I've come here with the camera?
Do you want to give me your details?
I want answers as to why your colleagues can force entry into my home when only a summary offence has been committed. You have all my details. I don't need to give you my details.
Okay.
I want answers from someone senior.
I'll pass it on. All right, thank you.
So no answers as to why. So you found the phone. The police didn't find the phone. So you had to investigate yourself.
No, they investigated. They didn't even take the phone yet.
So they didn't even bother to investigate it. You found out it was in cash converters.
Yeah, and it's still in there.
And they still haven't gone to cash converters to get it.
No.
So we're just sat around here like
For nothing.
a bunch of mugs just waiting for them.
I fucking took my contract already. They're done.
Yeah.
Payment.
Don't worry, mate. They'll tell you to call 101 and then you'll get sorted. What are your concerns today?
We're just going looking at the car.
You've had a car stolen, have you?
Yeah.
Okay, and no update. All right, interesting. But if you go stand outside the police station with the camera, 10 or 15 police will be there straight away. Of course they will. But if you have your possessions stolen, no one's interested. Exactly, yeah. So, very interesting. Well, good luck to you. This is the whole kind of purpose of me recording, do you understand? They're lying to you as well, are they? Okay. Well, I've literally been there 5 minutes, you know what I mean?
Come on Tuesday. I came last Tuesday.
Nah, they're sitting around twiddling
Come
thumbs.
on Wednesday cash converter close. Come on Thursday.
And the phone is still in...
I fucking know every single day you have to come down for nothing.
Interesting. So the phone is still in cash...
This opening segment immediately establishes a core accountability issue. Victims are being forced to conduct their own investigations, while police resources appear absent when genuine crimes occur. The contrast is stark. Stolen property with clear leads remains untouched, while officers are perceived as reactive only when their authority is challenged. This isn't just frustration. It's an illustration of misplaced priorities, and it sets a foundation for why public auditing exists in the first place.
Converters. Yeah. And you know which cash converters? Fry Street. Yeah. And they haven't even gone there to go get it back. You want to take it. I can't believe it. But anyway, you hear that, people. You see that. So this is what the police in our country are up to. Say that again? It should be cool. Sorry, miss, what are you waiting for?
WPC, whatever her name is.
Okay, what do you need her for?
Supposedly for, what's the name? I thought it,
So are you the victim of an offence, or have you committed an offence?
No, they're trying to put one on me.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What have you supposedly done?
I'm supposed to, whatever, not meeting noise pollution. I can't think what they call
Noise
it.
pollution, is it?
Yeah.
Well, did they arrest you for that, did they?
They've been trying to do that for a few years.
For noise pollution?
Most of the time on that, not giving us to people.
So is that not like just a CPN, anti-social behaviour, is it? That's what they're saying. Did they issue you with a CPN?
Yeah.
So what are you here for, a voluntary interview?
No, I'm here on my own goodwill. I can't left in my letterbox.
Oh, so they invited you to come for a voluntary interview? Yeah. I wouldn't even bother if I was you, miss. You know, a voluntary interview is essentially a fishing expedition. There's no point in you even being here. Have you got a solicitor?
Supposedly.
Okay. I wouldn't even bother, miss. If I was you, I would just go home if I was you.
No comment. No comment.
But if you're going to say no comment anyway, listen. If you're going to say no comment anyway, then what's the point in you even being here? You might as well go home. Never attend a voluntary interview for noise pollution. You hear that? The people, the viewers can hear that. So
It wasn't in Reading at the time stated.
it wasn't.
I wasn't here then. I was out for the day.
Right. So where's your solicitor now? Where's your solicitor now? He should be telling you what I'm telling you, to be honest. Okay. Yep. So can we have a chat in private? Why is that?
Here, the issue becomes systemic rather than isolated. Despite knowing the exact location of stolen property, no recovery attempt is made. This reinforces a recurring pattern seen across audits. Information alone does not guarantee police action. The public is left questioning whether convenience and risk aversion outweigh the duty to investigate, especially when evidence is readily available.
Okay, sure. Well, yeah, I'd just like to have a discussion. Are you a sergeant? Okay, so yeah, it's just regarding one of your colleagues, PC Principe 6514.
Okay.
So it's concerning a matter in which I was filming inside of a courtroom, not a courtroom, a court building, or the precinct of a court, should I say, which I understand, is an offence under contempt of court. Point being, he came to my house to arrest me. Fair enough. I mean, I feel like it could have been done by means of a voluntary interview. So he came to my house to arrest me, and he wanted me to bring my phone with me. When I refused to bring my phone, he said that he could actually... Oh, here we are. This is actually the solicitor that represented me at the time. So PC Principe told me that he could put my door in to get my phone. Obviously, I'm not a solicitor, I'm not a professional, but I'm pretty sure.
So he has, if it's part of the inquiry, he has the power to seize your phone. So
I'm not talking about seize my phone, put my door in, force entry.
So let me finish.
So under what legislation gives him the power to force entry into my home?
I'm not going to be on your YouTube channel.
Well, you are going to be on it. This isn't an argument, miss. I'd like to know what legislation...
What I've come down to tell you...
This isn't
that
about
I don't
YouTube
know
channel.
the officer and I don't manage him. So, and I'm the duty sergeant
I just want
today,
some
so
accountability,
I'm
that's
just gonna
it.
take your details and what your complaint is, and I'm going to pass it on to his sergeant, okay? And they will get back to you. So if you give me some details and contact number, I'm quite happy to do that for you.
Okay, but I want some answers. I want some accountability.
Okay,
I want to know under what
They
legislation
will give you
gives
the
him the
answers
powers
that you
to
want.
put my
But
door in.
Right now, I'm the duty sergeant responsible.
Yeah, but you're a
for
sergeant for a
all
reason.
of
Have you not got
training,
any
and
answers?
I don't have time to stand here and argue.
Yeah, but
with
clearly
you.
you do. I'm not arguing. I just want some answers, miss. That's it.
So,
After all, you
I'll
are
explain to you-
taxpayers do pay for
I'll
you.
What I'll do. So if you're not prepared to give me your details, then we'll end the conversation.
No, because I want answer for the record. Why do you think I've come here with the camera?
Do you want to give me your details?
I want answers as to why
Do you
your
want to give
colleagues
me your details?
can force entry into my home when only a summary offence has been committed. You have all my details. I don't need to give you my details.
Okay.
I want
All right,
answers
then
from
I'll-
someone senior.
I'll pass it on. All right. Thank you.
So no answers as to why. That's how we're addressing members of the public now. It's because you don't. She doesn't have any answers.
This segment exposes a critical misunderstanding many members of the public face. Voluntary police interviews are often framed as obligations when they are not. Advising caution here is not interference. It's education. Without arrest, legal necessity, or representation, these interviews can become fishing expeditions that benefit investigations, not individuals. Awareness of rights is a fundamental safeguard, not an act of defiance.
What's here for?
I told you it's about a van.
A van. Someone stole your van.
No, the police took our driver. He left the van on the M4 and the van is being disappeared now.
So you can't get.
The police arrested the driver.
Yeah.
And the police left the van on the street with all the parcels.
On the side of the M4.
Yeah.
They abandoned it there. They left it there.
Yeah.
Arrested your guy.
Yeah.
And now you can't get your van. And now you can't get your van back.
No.
How long's it been?
In Sunday evening.
Sunday. So it's been about 3 days. And where are they saying the van is now?
You don't know.
No one knows.
Nobody beat.
What have they told you to do? Call a number. Call 101.
Of course.
Of course they did. Yeah. See, this is the problem. This is why I want direct accountability. You understand that by us paying taxes, we employ them. This is our property. I can sit. Do you understand what I mean?
I know exactly.
So if I've got issues, I want them to be directly, solved or encountered.
You don't do nothing.
They don't do nothing. Exactly. Whether you're a victim of a crime,
You just ignore it.
it's always pass it on to someone else or this person. I don't know. We'll see. So the police left your van on the side of the M4 and they just abandoned it there. No duty of care. I mean, the contempt that they have for the public, do you understand? They treat us as if like we're the enemy or something. You know, it's interesting that they would do that.
You know, nobody can. The government doesn't care as well.
Believe
Police
me,
as well.
believe me, mate.
We just the small ones. That's it. Nothing else.
Go pick up a camera and go stand outside.
This is the most legally significant exchange so far. The discussion centers on force entry powers, a serious threshold in UK law. When officers reference authority without citing legislation, it raises legitimate concerns. Accountability requires clarity. Threatening forced entry without articulating lawful grounds undermines public trust and highlights why recording these interactions matters.
The police station in London and watch how many of them come. Watch how many of them come out, mate. I'm telling you, I know someone that does it. Watch how many of them come out. But yeah, no. Obviously, I'm sad to hear that. So that's the whole purpose of this today. So I hope you don't mind me, you know, recording or whatever. Do you know what I mean? It's not. But yeah, let's see how they deal with this situation here, because I can stand around here all day.
This final moment brings everything together. The public isn't asking for special treatment. They're asking for consistency. When visibility with a camera triggers immediate response. But crime reports do not. It highlights why public oversight is necessary. Filming is not provocation. It's documentation. Accountability thrives in the light, and audits exist to ensure that power remains transparent and answerable.